Today I'm very excited to open this box which is Blue Yeti microphone, and this is the most popular and talked about microphone in online forums. If you are a YouTuber or game streamer, or if you want to use for podcasting, then this is one of the most recommended microphone within budget of let's say $150 or $170. For some time I was looking for a deal, and I was following both Amazon and Best Buy for the deal, and fortunately yesterday I got the best deal this year, which is 148 Canadian dollar, and I bought it, and today I am thrilled to open this box and use this for my YouTube videos. So now let's open this box and see what is there inside. Let's go. Yes, very nicely packaged, quite heavy also. Yeah, okay, so let's open this one again. Let's open this one and see what is inside. Yeah, okay, so I can see USB cable, silica gel, warranty information, and Blue Yeti manual. So this is very useful because it contains all the information and settings that you need to know to set up this microphone. So keep this. Now let's see how. Okay, so this is microphone, and wow, it's pretty solid and quite heavy too, and it will give you the confidence that it will stay stable in the desk, so you will feel confident. And if you see, there are two knobs, so you can just position it and tight these two knobs to keep it in position. Blue Yeti has 3 condenser capsules in this section. So if you can see, so there are 3 condenser capsules are there. So in the bottom you will see there is one USB mini jack where you need to plug in this one, and one side, and other side it will go to laptop or the computer device where you are going to capture this audio. And this is headphone output, so you can connect your headphone right here, and you can listen the audio that is being captured by this device without any latency. So this is very useful to understand how this device is capturing the audio in real time. If you are going to use a mic stand, then probably you are going to use this mic thread to mount this one. Here you will see 2 knobs. One is to control gain, and another one is to control pattern. So gain is to control the sensitivity of the device. So let's say so if you're capturing the voice, or if you're going to do the voiceover, then it is important to keep it down, otherwise it will capture a lot of background noise. So during post production you may notice a lot of static noise or hissing sound that got captured from the background. So it's very important to control the gain based on the situation or the background noise you have at the time of recording. In Blue Yeti you will see there are 4 audio patterns are available. Based on the situation you need to choose the pattern. So to understand in which situation you will use what type of pattern, if you check the box, you'll see there are 4 patterns are available. One is cardioid, which is basically heart shaped icon. This is most suitable to capture audio from one direction. So let's say situation like game streaming or YouTube video making or podcast or voiceovers. So in those situations this is useful. And let's say if you need to capture audio from all direction, then you should choose this omnidirectional. This is useful for conference calls where multiple people are talking in from different direction, and you need to capture all the audios. That time this is the pattern you should choose. Also there are situations like events or field recording. That time also you need to capture audio from all direction. And the third one is bidirectional. So there are some situation you need to capture audio from two direction. So let's say if you are interviewing someone, then in this one side of the desk interviewer is there, other side is interviewee. So in that situation this is the pattern you would like to choose. And the fourth one is the stereo pattern, which is useful for vocals and instruments. So based on your situation, you should choose the right pattern to capture the best possible audio. Here you will see all the patterns. I'm going to use this for making YouTube videos, and it's most likely either instructional videos or talking head videos. So that is why I'm going to choose this cardioid pattern for my work. Other side, you will see there are two button. One is mute, another one is volume. So mute button is very useful when you are going to take a pause, or you are going to sneeze, or you are expecting some background noise. So you can just mute it by pushing this button, and this is to control the master volume. So when you are using headphone, you can use this knob to control the volume. And one thing is very important to note, that when you are capturing audio for cardioid, this should be in front of you. So this blue logo and mute and volume, this should be in front of you, because for cardioid mode, the capsule that is going to capture the audio, that is placed here. So if you talk in other side, then it will not capture the audio that you are expecting. And for bidirectional, one person should be in front of this section, another person should be in other side, exactly opposite direction. One more important thing is that when you are going to capture audio, mic should be positioned like this, not like this in front of your mouth, because the condenser capsule is here, not here. So it will capture the best audio if you speak keeping this microphone like this. That's it for this unboxing video. And honestly speaking, I am not audio expert or audio engineer. I have chosen this mic based on online feedbacks and recommendation. And if you go to Amazon or Best Buy, any portal, you will see this mic has the best rating. Feedback is really good. In the next video, I'll share what I liked and what I didn't like about this microphone after using a few days, and also I'll try to share some best settings that work for me for my YouTube videos. If you are already using this microphone for your sound recording, then please share your experience, what you liked or what you didn't like about this microphone. Thanks for watching this video. If this content really helped you, please subscribe and like to support this channel. We'll catch up in the next video. Thanks.